warning. Here's the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. All right, here we go. Qs. Again, the lower end is going to be around 600. All the way down there, if it wants to. The upper end is going to be here, right around 613. That's where we'd like to break through. The 5MA, that's all the way up at 618 almost. So we've got a lot of work to do to get bullish again on a larger scale. I think Trump speaks in about 15 minutes here. So by the time this video gets posted, he'll be talking. And market really can go either way. I'm fine with whatever it wants to do. I think eventually, though, we move out of this and start heading up. But that doesn't mean we can't finish shooting this down. This can shoot all the way past. Here, I'll go to a larger time frame. This can shoot all the way past this. This can launch down here into the 570s if it really wants to. I would think more like 590 would hold, 600 probably, because that's a nice round number. But if they want to push it under 600, then 590. I think really they're just trying to wipe out as many stops as they can before they take this up. And the reason I think it goes up is because of these small caps here. Like AAOI. This was a beast yesterday. It was great. Market was going down and this thing was just powering up. QNTM, I'm so sure this thing's going to run soon. It's just meandering down here. We'll see. Amprius, I have a large holding in that. That's doing well. Let's go to the dailies. See, these are all breaking out. Look at it. Here, I'll even draw the trend line. That's breaking out on a daily time frame. That's not just ho-hum. That's a big deal. This broke out on a daily time frame. Look what that did. Ionic. That's the big quantum one. And again, hanging out above this 50. I don't like these long wicks, but yesterday was a big sell day. So, this tried to power through. Let's see what it looked like. Big, and then it just came back. They didn't take out the day. So all that selling yesterday that's a falling wedge as far as I'm concerned. That's bullish. RR, here's this line is my trend line. Above that, I'm bullish on this. Let's go, RR. GSAT, I'm not so sure of. Let's look at the daily on this one. Okay, we're coming off that lower Bollinger. I don't like this though. I don't like how this is formed. I need to see more out of that. But this one has run quite a bit already, as you can see. This one I have a position in this. I'll have to see how this goes. Wick City up here. But again, I like how this is building. So have to see that move up still. ASTS came off that 120. The 120 was my target. I mean, this is all constructive, so I don't know how far it's going to come down off that 120. It might keep just powering up. BBAI issued, what was it, 10 million shares or something like that. I don't know when they're going to actually start issuing them, but they've been approved to do it. APLD and iron should be very similar. I mean, this is probably going to pop soon, next day or two, unless this rolls over that 200. But I expect it to stay bullish because I think this is in a bullish trend. I don't like that we're below the 5, but these are moving up. Bullish trend. Same with iron. Iron's on the low end of that 5, but we'll see what happens today. If we start popping up again, we're still in a squeeze. We're between the 5 and the upper Bollinger. This is still squeezing. On the hourly, some little negative divergence, so you're going to drop this, which it did. Now let's see if it drops it again or if we continue up. All right. Qubits. I have a large position in this also. And this on the daily is the same kind of thing. It's right in this. Are we or are we not? Holding that 50. So again, let's see where today goes. Are we or are we not? Triple D, same thing. I mean, technically we're still in this squeeze. So let's see where today goes. Rocket Lab lost it yesterday. Yesterday was a problem. We'll have to see what today does. I think we probably drop again, 85. But this, I really doubt this is done. Yeah, I doubt this is done. Corrections are fine. We'll see how big of a correction this gets. All right, let's look at Deft. Since I have a position that looks like it's rolling over. So is this just a pop to the 50 or something more? I don't like how that is swinging down. Yeah, I would like for this to hold here. We'll have to see how this does. Again, it's a big week. Big week, big day for stocks. Tomorrow, we start getting data released again. No data has been released. It's just been Trump speaking. Tomorrow, we get data again. So we should start seeing the market react to that. Let's go back to the Qs and close this out. Oh, there was one more I wanted to look at first. Let's look at Cliffy. Let's see where Cliff is in the world. All right. Are we going to break out? Cliff above 1440. That's where we want to see. We want to see Cliff close above 1440. All right. Now let's go back to the Qs. Now here we have a divergence on the hourly. And we broke out for a little bit yesterday. We didn't complete it, but I kind of like where we're at. I'd like to see a pop here today. Let's see what we get on the 5-minute. I'd really look for this 606 to hold now. I'd because I want this to be the bottom, if that's going to be true. So then I'd like to, we'll probably hold up in this 609, 610 range. Above 610, definitely above 613, really bullish. If we can get to 618, that would be something fantastic, eh? All right. Well, that's what it is. Overall, I'm bullish until the market shows me that it's no longer bullish. And it can do that. I mean, it could do that today. If all these stocks start turning down, yeah, then that's bad. But I'm not going to project them to do that until they do that. I want to see them do that if that's what they're going to do. All right. That's it. Good luck out there. Be safe. Be careful. Be wise. All right. Have a good one.